Welcome everyone to another part of revision of combustion and flame. Today last part we are going to revise, which is flame. Flame is the zone of combustion of a combustible substance. Substances which vaporize during burning produce flames like kerosene and wax, whereas there are some substances which do not vaporize during burning, so they do not produce flame like coal and charcoal, etc. Now in a zone there are different in a flame there are different zones. Here you can see these are the zones of a candle flame. The zones are: one is the outer zone, other is the middle zone, and third is the innermost zone. Here we can see the difference in the color of the flame, as well the temperature of different zones of a flame are different. Now the outermost zone is a zone of complete combustion. This is a zone where sufficient oxygen is available, so complete combustion takes place. Therefore, this is the hottest part of the flame and it is blue in color. Whereas middle zone is the zone of partial combustion because there is insufficient supply of oxygen in this zone. Therefore, it gives yellow color and it is moderately hot. Talking about the last zone, that is the innermost zone, it is the zone of unburnt wax vapors. As it is the innermost zone, hardly any oxygen reaches here, so there is no combustion taking place. Therefore, this is least hot part and it is black in color. So this is how we have different zones, and these zones are also known as luminous, non-luminous and dark zone. The outermost zone, that is blue color zone, is called as non-luminous, which does not emit much light, whereas the yellow zone, the middle zone, is called as luminous zone, which emits a lot of light, and the innermost zone is the dark zone. Now coming to the fuels. Fuel is a combustible substance which produce a large amount of heat and energy on burning in air, and the efficiency of fuel depends on its calorific value. What is calorific value? The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel is called as calorific value, and it is expressed in the unit called kilojoule per kg. So for an ideal fuel, the calorific value must be very high. When we use these different types of fuels, especially fossil fuels, there are certain side effects or harmful effects of burning these fuels. Some of these are listed here, like the first is fuels like wood, coal, petroleum. They release unburnt carbon particles which cause respiratory diseases like asthma. Second, incomplete combustion of fuels release carbon monoxide gas, which is a very poisonous gas which can cause death. Number 3, burning of most fuels release carbon dioxide gas, which causes rise in the temperature of the atmosphere. This is called global warming. Number 4, burning of coal and petroleum release oxides of sulfur and nitrogen, which dissolve in rainwater and forms acid rain. It is harmful for crops, soil and damage buildings. So these were some harmful effects of burning fuels. Now let's have a look at some questions here. Question 1 is, what is flame? Flame is the zone of combustion of a combustible substance. Question 2, which substances burn with a flame? Give 2 examples. Now the substances which vaporize, which gives out vapors on burning, can burn with the flame. For example, wax, petrol. Question number 3. Which is the hottest zone of the flame and why? The outermost zone or the blue zone is the hottest zone of the flame because this is the region where sufficient oxygen supply is available and complete combustion of vapors take place. Question number 4. Differentiate between luminous and non-luminous zone. There are many points which can be written. Now, first point is luminous zone is a zone which gives out light, whereas non-luminous zone does not emit much light. Second point, luminous zone is yellow in color and non-luminous zone is blue in color. Number 3, luminous zone is the middle zone of the candle flame and non-luminous zone is the outermost zone of the candle flame. Next can be the luminous zone is the region of partial combustion, whereas non-luminous zone is a zone of complete combustion. Going to next question, question number 5. Why is the innermost zone the least hot? The innermost zone is the least hot zone because there is hardly any oxygen available, so combustion does not take place in that zone. Question number 6. Define a fuel. Fuel is any combustible substance which gives out heat energy on burning. B is calorific value. Calorific value is the amount of heat produced on complete combustion of 1 kilogram of a fuel. Question 7. What are the harmful effects of burning fuel? Here listing the harmful effects of burning fuel. Number 1, they gives out unburnt carbon particles leading to several respiratory diseases. Second, they give out carbon dioxide gas in a large amount, which is a main reason for global warming as it traps a lot of heat. Then next point can be the incomplete combustion. If the fuel is not completely burnt, it leads to production of carbon monoxide, which is a poisonous gas. Next question is, list 5 ways to conserve fuels. How to conserve fuels? Number 1, we should try to go by walking or using a bicycle when there is a short distance we need to cover. Secondly, we should use public transport instead of private. Then we should maintain our engines. The vehicle should be maintained regularly. Then we should check the tire pressure so that much of fuel is not burnt. Also, we must turn off the engine when there is heavy traffic jam. So by using all this, we can save fuels. So we can conserve fuels by using such methods. Even not wasting electrical energy. Whenever not required, switch off the fans, ACs and all. By using all this, we can save or conserve fuels, which will ultimately save our environment as well. Okay, that's